哎，我的妈呀！完了完了完了！
Gu'an County in Hebei Province, China, was hit by extreme weather on June 4, 2026. Heavy rain accompanied by strong winds and hail lashed the region, causing panic in several areas and disrupting public activities. This weather phenomenon garnered widespread attention after videos from local residents circulated on social media showing the intensity of the hail.
看大路上开始流淌的都是冰河，看地上全部都是冰。
In the videos, hailstones were seen falling at high speed and hitting the ground, rooftops, vehicles, and various objects in open spaces. The sound of the hailstones hitting the ground was so loud it sounded like a series of firecrackers exploding. Many residents were startled by the sound and chose to take shelter inside their homes or safer buildings while waiting for the weather to improve. Before the severe weather struck, the Gu'an County Meteorological Observatory had issued an orange-level hail warning. The warning stated that all sub-districts in the Gu'an area were at risk of moderate to strong hail. Weather authorities also urged the public to increase vigilance, secure vehicles, and avoid non-essential outdoor activities during the period of extreme weather. Despite advance warnings, the intensity of the hailstorm still caught many residents by surprise. Initial reports indicated that quite large hailstones fell in a relatively short period of time, creating an unusual sight in various locations. Roads, yards, and other open areas appeared to be covered in layers of ice that had accumulated after the storm. In addition to the hailstorm, the heavy rain that lashed the area also caused flooding on several roads. This slowed traffic and made mobility difficult for residents. Drivers were forced to reduce speeds to maintain safety amidst the worsening weather. Reduced visibility due to the heavy rain and strong winds also presented challenges for road users. The strong winds accompanying the storm increased the potential for damage. Trees in several locations were reported to be swaying violently due to the gusts. Residents were advised to stay away from large trees, billboards, and structures that could collapse during the extreme weather. Authorities are still monitoring the potential impacts of this weather system. Staff from the Gu'an County Meteorological Observatory stated that damage assessments are ongoing. Relevant teams are gathering information from various regions to determine the extent of the impact caused by hail, heavy rain, and strong winds. This data will be used as the basis for compiling an official report on this extreme weather event. Hail events like the one in Gu'an typically form within powerful storm clouds. Intense updrafts carry water droplets into the atmosphere, where temperatures are below freezing. These droplets then freeze and grow larger before falling to the Earth's surface as hail. When atmospheric conditions are favorable, the hail can grow quite large and potentially cause damage to vehicles, buildings, agricultural land, and other infrastructure. Hebei is no stranger to various extreme weather phenomena, especially during seasonal transitions and periods of active convection. However, high-intensity hail events remain a serious threat because they can occur suddenly and cause significant impacts in a short time. Therefore, early warning systems play a crucial role in helping the public prepare for potential hazards. Meteorologists warn that rapidly changing atmospheric conditions can increase the frequency of extreme weather events in various regions. Heavy rain, thunderstorms, strong winds, and hail are all phenomena that require vigilance, especially when official warnings have been issued by weather authorities. The public is advised to continue monitoring the latest information and following the authorities' directions to maintain safety. As of the writing of this report, the severe weather in Gu'an County is expected to continue throughout the day and into the evening. Meteorological authorities continue to monitor the development of the weather system affecting the region and will issue updates as needed. Residents are advised to remain vigilant, reduce outdoor activities during extreme weather, and immediately seek safe shelter if conditions worsen. This incident serves as a reminder of the power of nature and the importance of extreme weather preparedness. By heeding early warnings and following official information from relevant authorities, risks to life and property losses can be minimized. Meanwhile, impact data collection and damage assessments are ongoing to provide a clearer picture of the consequences of the hailstorm that struck Gu'an County, Hebei Province, China. In several residential areas, residents reported that the sound of hail hitting roofs was so loud that it woke many people and they rushed to check outside. Some families chose to huddle in safer areas of their homes while waiting for the storm to subside. Footage posted to social media showed deserted streets as residents sought refuge from the risk of being hit by the falling hail. This illustrates how quickly extreme weather can transform a normal situation into a state of high alert within minutes. The agricultural sector is also one of the most affected by this event. Hail has the potential to damage crops during the growing and harvesting stages, especially if the hailstones are large and fall for a prolonged period. Farmers in the affected areas are awaiting official assessments to determine the extent of damage to their crops. Local governments, along with relevant agencies, are expected to conduct field surveys to determine the condition of crops, agricultural infrastructure, and any assistance needed after the extreme weather has passed.